Hola and welcome to Bubble Spanish, and today in this class we will learn about ordinals number. So how these ordinals numbers are said in Spanish, so we will learn this. So what are the pronunciation? So let's get started. So first, how we say it first in Spanish, we say it as primero, primero. Now second, we say it as segundo, segundo. Third, we say it as tercero, tercero. Now fourth, we say it as cuatro, cuatro. Now fifth, we say it as quinto, quinto. Sixth, we say it as sexto, sexto. Now seventh, we say it as septimo, septimo. Eighth, we say it as octavo, octavo. Ninth, we say it as noveno, noveno. And the last 10th, we say it as decimo, decimo. So this was all about in this video. I hope you have learned something new. If you have learned something new, please give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So till the time, take care, keep learning.